We just got a septic repair done, and I'm just going to show where on the property all the new tank is. So we started where the comes out from the building under this second window. 1, 2. Comes down here. We're out about 4 or 5 feet, and there's an angle there. Goes to a big tank we just put in. And this goes to distribution box. The old line comes out that side of the distribution box. That's the existing septic field. And then there's this new fangled thing which I'm still getting my mind wrapped around. And here's another distribution box. Another one of those newfangled lines. An old line we repaired goes that way. And then this angled thing down here. It's almost even with this huge tree. And runs almost towards that huge tree. And to this one came in here too. So 3 new lines, and cost me $8,700, which feels like a lot. They quoted me a little bit more than that, so I'm actually happy today, but it's still a lot of money.